Day one of the Thanksgiving meal outreach is underway. We have 32 turkeys cooking currently all across the church. The ovens are on fire, the roasters are steaming, everything's going smoothly as it can so far. We're gonna make sure that we get all the turkeys cooked today. They're gonna be able to rest so that way they stay nice and juicy. Then we're going to portion them out first thing tomorrow morning to get them all down into the right size portions. There's a ton to do. We have 1,000 people to feed this year. It's super exciting. Can't wait to show you more.
It's the same recipe, according to Walmart, and we don't have to slice them. We started off feeding 250 people 4 years ago, and this is our second year doing 1,000 people. So this is our fourth year doing this. We successfully fed over 1,000 people again for Thanksgiving. Special thanks to our very hardworking volunteers. This year we broke it up into multiple days and had really great success just getting it down to a system. So thank you to all of our volunteers. Thank you for the people that donated, our customers, and just everybody that helped with this event. And we wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving.